What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. I got a new camera. I'm still trying to learn it. If I go out of picture for a minute, bear with me because I'm still trying to learn this camera. I got to learn how to set it to where it's stable because right now it's just kind of moving around. But anyway, guys, man, this morning on my way to work, I'm getting up through there, man. I'm on my way to work. Everything going good. The next thing you know, I hit a big pothole. And it sounded like, man, my front end got torn out. I could have sworn that this car was probably going to be total. So I was still driving for a while, and the front end started vibrating a little bit. And I started hearing like a vibration. So I pulled over. I just knew that the tire was flat. But luckily my tire didn't go flat. But it still ride a little funny. So I'm on my way up into the dealership now. And let them check it out. I was so upset, man. I'm like, because normally I could see the potholes, but this was a new one. I ain't never seen this pothole before.
I'm gonna buy that truck, run it until the warranty will be, the power runs up, and it flies away. It's fine.
My man, he watched the channel too, y'all. Look, so he gonna check it out for me, man. It's always good you got somebody who watch the channel working on your car. Definitely appreciate them.
Because we got the skinny blocks out here. Yeah.
It's like the wheel lock is in the inside. Yeah. What's up? Yeah.
No, but I wasn't here. I think I saw you down by Walmart.
Probably. Yeah, I think so.
Didn't one of your buddies have an accident down there?
Yeah, yep. We sure did, and it's Cadillac, yep. Yeah. Uh-oh. Yeah. Alright, guys, so got bad news, man. Bad news. This is crazy. So I actually did bend my rim.
That's how my rim looks. So like when you go on highway speeds, you probably feeling that. Like,
yeah, I do feel it. Yeah. I feel it. Mm-hmm. That's why I brought it in.
So like, dang, you running, maybe I get my little wheel. I try to ignore it, but
golly.
No, I can't deal with that with the BMW and everything.
That's crazy.
And my tire's like this small.
Yeah, anything with low profiles, you are running your risk.
He like
tire warranty.
Nah, I can see it. Dang, bro, I wonder how much that's gonna cost.
So she could probably call one of our guys one of the guys that come out to do wheel repair.
Okay.
So instead of having to spend an arm and a leg for a new wheel,
yeah.
Because I know how the like the SRT wheels and everything, how much they are run up in price.
Golly, bro, that's crazy.
I think she can get an estimate on how much it will be to fix that.
Okay.
So you're not running into that scenario.
Yeah. And shout out to the guys, man, for looking out for me, actually checking the car thoroughly. They took all the wheels off, checked my suspension, checked everything under the car, checked my tie rod ends, checked everything to make sure the car was good to go for the most part. I forgot my man's name that actually that watched the channel. I appreciate you, champ, man. Thanks a lot for everything you did, bro. I'm actually gonna take the car and just get the wheel fixed. Y'all not gonna believe what they want for a new wheel, a whole new wheel. They wanted $1,340 for a new wheel, guys. $1,340. That's crazy. Ain't no way in heck I'm paying that much for no wheel, bro. That's unbelievable. And it's barely bent. It's just slightly bent. I mean, I can feel it when I'm driving, but it ain't no $1,300 bent. So I'm not gonna drive the car. I'm just gonna park it, man, and tomorrow morning, after I leave the doctor's office, I'm gonna take it and get the try to get the rim repaired. It should be a simple repair. It's not bent a whole lot. I mean, I showed y'all in the video, but it's bent, and I can tell the difference when I'm at like 65 or over. You can really tell that the rim is bent. So, guys, do not hit a pothole if you can. Avoid potholes at all costs, because it will cost you some bread to get your wheels fixed. Now, I'm just happy that I didn't damage the suspension or anything like that, because I was driving pretty daggone fast. I'm talking about I was getting it and hit that pothole, man. I thought the whole car was about to just shut down. But obviously, they didn't use no cheap parts on this joint, because if they did, that whole front end would have been tore off of this car. I ain't even gonna lie. Because I hit that pothole hard. I'm talking about super hard. Almost had me in tears, man. I was so bad about that. I was mad, guys. I was super mad about hitting that pothole, because I normally don't hit potholes, man. But you know how it is early in the morning on your way to work. You half sleep, you know, trying to get to work on time. Hit that daggone pothole. I mean, I could drive my car if I need to, but I figure why? Why drive it and, you know, mess up something even more? You know, once one thing is messed up, you keep on going, then it's a snowball effect. But you know, it is what it is. What happens when you got a car, you gotta be able to afford to fix it if something go wrong. That's why I be telling people, man, it's more to it than just financing a car and riding around and stuff like that. You gotta be able to put gas in it, you gotta be able to fix it when something happens. If I didn't know no better, they would charge me $1,300 for a rim. One rim. It's crazy.